Guten Tag, Exzellenz. Ich habe Sie zu kennenlernen. So let me speak in English now. In terms of the history, like Germany did not have always positive relationship with those neighboring countries, like including Poland or France, but now Germany has overcome all of them and now have a really positive and constructive relationship with those nations. So in terms of regarding the relationship of the East Asian nations like Japan, Korea, and China, we still have a problem regarding the past history, and we still have some conflicts about them. So how do you think about how to overcome this problem regarding the historical education or dealing with the past history?
Yes, this is a very good question. By the way, you speak very good German. Will you translate what I say, or it's okay? It's okay, yeah. Yes, you are right. Germany in the past was in the center of Europe and had a lot of enemies around them. What the Germans thought were enemies: Poland, France, England. But it was a kind of German feeling. They had the impression that they were enemies. But nowadays the situation has completely changed, and we have the European Union. Germany is a member of the European Union. England is a member, still a member, they might get out. France is a member, Poland is a member. So we have a complete different situation, and time has shown that being friends with each other is much more effective than being hostile or competing too much with each other. The situation in Asia, you are right, is still a little bit tangent. There's quite a situation that can be improved, but I'm confident because I have the impression that in the run of the time, also Korea, Japan, China, which are all very, very powerful nations, economically powerful nations, will understand that working together is much more effective than working against each other. So I'm quite confident that also here in Asia we will see a process of coming together more closely, and we have already some institutions, not like the European Union, but we have the Asian Pacific institution, and we have other economic and political conclusions and coming together of nations. So in the end, I can imagine, and I'm quite hopeful, that also in Asia we will have kind of Far East Europe, and that makes me quite confident. Thank you.
Dankeschön.